Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The 2026 Prevost Emerald motorhome is expected to be the pinnacle of luxury and engineering in the premium recreational vehicle market. The Emerald is anticipated to provide an unmatched travel experience by skillfully fusing luxurious comfort with outstanding performance. It is built around the prestigious Prevost chassis, which is well known for its durability and smooth ride quality. It is anticipated that the 2026 Prevost Emerald's exterior will radiate a refined elegance, distinguished by streamlined lines, panoramic windows, and finely detailed accents. Its unique appearance on the road is probably a result of the use of cutting-edge lighting systems for both practicality and beauty. Its usefulness for long trips will also be highlighted by well-considered design features like electric awnings, spacious and easily accessible storage spaces, and smooth integration of external utilities. Under its elegant look, the 2026 Prevost Emerald will surely have a strong and effective drivetrain that will make navigating a variety of terrains a breeze. Prevost chassis cutting-edge air suspension technology will offer an exceptionally stable and smooth ride while reducing road noise and vibrations to improve passenger comfort. This large vehicle will be much safer and easier to operate thanks to advanced braking systems and driver assistance technologies. The genuine meaning of luxury will be fulfilled in the interior of the 2026 Prevost Emerald. Expect painstakingly made finishes using high-end materials like soft leathers, exquisite hardwoods, and custom textiles. The living areas will be well-proportioned, and in order to increase the campsite's internal footprint, it may have several slide-out portions. The culinary aficionado will be satisfied with gourmet kitchens furnished with custom cabinetry and top-of-the-line appliances. Luxurious bathrooms with spa-like features will provide a haven for rest and relaxation. The motorhome would have seamless integration of technology and entertainment. You can anticipate cutting-edge audiovisual equipment, smart home automation features, and strong connectivity options to guarantee enjoyment and usefulness for prolonged off-grid living. Advanced, multi-zone climate control systems will ensure maximum comfort no matter the outside weather. A sophisticated customer base that demands the utmost in mobile luxury and independence will be served by the 2026 Prevost Emerald. It will be perfect for long trips and living on the road full-time due to its significant size and many amenities. The underlying dedication to outstanding quality, painstaking craftsmanship, and unmatched comfort will surely establish the 2026 Prevost Emerald camper as a flagship in the luxury RV industry, even though specific floor layouts and customization possibilities will differ. With its advent, the possibilities of a home on wheels will probably be redefined and a new standard for luxurious travel will be set.